All right, super quick tip video, just doing the last of the roll cage padding on the Renault before the Ernie Hastie Memorial this weekend. So just sort of show you the roll cage padding that we use and what I do with it. Pretty basic stuff. All right, so the padding is that we sell is the USI SFI 45.1. So it's a high density urethane padding made in the States. As you can see, it's really, it's not soft, so it's quite hard and quite thick. This is the smaller size. Comes in two sizes, one for your main hoop basically, or if you've got a drag car, all your hoops, and then the smaller stuff for all your lateral and roof bars, etc. Now the good book says you got to have padding anywhere where you basically going to come in contact with the cage, and it pretty much states anything above and to the side of your helmet. And I'll just show you how we put it in the car. Another thing is, what I do is I miter the edges or cut the edges so it sits in nice to the corners on the cage. And you can do that just with a hacksaw. It cuts really, really easy. Or you can use like a serrated knife. Hacksaw is pretty easy. Cuts through it pretty quick. It's, as you can see there, it's a pretty hard sort of thing. With the Renault, it only had padding on the driver's side before, but because we're sitting up for Targa, we've got to put padding on both sides, the driver and passenger. Now it's got two seats in the car. So as you can see, we've done everything around. It's pretty much above the driver's head. And just got to put the last piece in over here. All right, so this one on this bar. Tuck the mitre right in the corner that we did. So that's why we do it, because this cage bar, as it intersects this joint here, do that so it sits in there quite nicely. Cable tie. I cable tie these in place, just makes life a lot easier. So if you watch the videos from USI, they actually get a tube of hot water, like a downpipe full of hot water, and then put that in it, and it'll get soft and malleable, and then it'll form. So if you've got a bar with a big bend on it, so you're doing a big radius bar or a Carlos bar like this, you can actually mold it in place, and then once it cools down, it'll hold the shape. It gets hot enough over here where these form into place pretty quick, so I don't really worry about it. You can also use the double-sided tape, like a really good quality, like a 3M, if you don't like the look of cable ties, but cable ties just work. They hold on really, really well. And you don't have any dramas with it. Cover those bolts. One nice one for luck. There you go. Then just go along and just cut the cable ties off, obviously, so it doesn't look all mank. Try to get them as close as you can so it doesn't get tight. Job done. So yeah, easy as that. Another job done to keep the scrutineers happy. All of the head, side, behind. I'll whack a piece down the sides, but yeah, another job done, ticked off.